everyone, it's Patty and Keith from Sleepy Glen Homestead. How you doing today? Guess who came to visit us? It's Kaye. Oh my gosh, from Late Bloomer. Can you believe it? It's so great to have you here,
and
Kaye.
look at this, look at this.
I know, look at, we got a competition
we really
going
are
on.
sisters now.
Yeah, we really are.
I'm getting close.
Yeah.
Anyways, Kaye was passing through. She thought she'd stop by the homestead here, and we've done a big interview with her, and we're just really excited. Now we're going to take Kaye through our garden, and we're going to talk about how we planted it, why we planted it, how much we planted of it. And so you just sit there and you wait for Roxy to make her debut.
Yes, she is.
All right, folks, here we go.
So what I've been experimenting with the corn is because it's so touchy when you pick it. So yes, when the silt is brown and dry, yes, that means they're ready. But if you also look here, right past where the green leaves are, there's still a little bit of green, okay? Each one of these silts goes to a kernel. That's what makes the kernel. So I've been walking the field, and when I see this greener get to dark all the way down, I've been pulling it. Last week I pulled some out that were still a little bit green here, and it wasn't finished. So you learn as you go.
Awesome.
And you also want to make sure that you've got good girth going around here. Now, one problem we've been having since we don't spray for worms is, let's see if that one has any worms.
Yeah, you can come up to the top and feel if it's developed or not. But just peel it back. Look at that baby. That's ready for the barbecue.
That is
Ooh,
a
now I would just
nice
eat it
one.
like that.
Now, there's 10,000 seeds we planted here. They're not all going to come out like this.
Yeah, no,
So-
I know.
These are the ones we'll take to the farmer's market and sell very, very rapidly. The other ones that have a little bit of knocked out kernels, we'll eat here or we'll can them. So
Sure.
Okay, so let's go find some.
Okay.
We'll just mosey through here. Okay, so this one here looks like it's a real good one. It's all dried up. It's still brown here, so and it's got nice girth. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this one off. So they're really easy to pull, and if they're really ready, they'll snap off real easy. So you just pull down and twist at the same time. And this one's not gonna be easy. There we go. That's all there is to it.
Still looks beautiful.
It is beautiful.
And so much more girth than what I had.
Yeah.
And I don't know if that's soil or what.
Yeah. So for the farmer's market, I would take this top part off because just the kernels don't grow real well.
Right.
So I would just like snap it off. And
I think I'd
Out for
kind
the
of like
deers
to
it
try
goes.
that corn seed. Do you have a lot of corn seed or
I
not
think
yet?
we have some left, but we're going to try a different type next year.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, we like the heirloom, but it's out of 25 ears that we pull, we might get 10 good ones.
Oh,
Yeah, because it's such an heirloom and we don't spray, so we need something that's a little bit more disease resistant.
right.
So there we go.
You mean bug resistant?
Bug resistant.
Okay.
Right.
That's what I thought.
That's not.
Worms. I mean, they just love it
They
because it's so
do.
good.
They do, and I have traps out here to see how many moths we have, but I'm not really getting any action on it.
Huh.
Oh, I see another good one over here.
Okay.
Okay. I could not see it.
Oh, this soil just feels so squishy.
Doesn't it
Love
feel nice? Okay, so I'm going to go right there where
Oh.
you're at.
This one.
Yep. Okay, this is going to be good.
Okay.
Okay.
Back in the shadow. But I'm good now.
Another way to see if your corn is ready is see how this one is bending over. That's
Yeah.
getting pretty heavy. It's got some good girth. It's all brown. The tassels are good and brown. When I open it up, they're still brown, but oh no. See this?
What is it?
This gunky stuff right here?
That's a worm.
That's a worm.
There's really no other way to describe it but gunky stuff.
Gunky
right?
stuff. That's
what I
yeah.
call it.
So we're just gonna take this one off.
That'll be great for lunch though.
Yeah, it'll be really good. You know, we'll still just take the top off because the top never grew. The worms are probably in the silk, so we'll just throw that out there for the animals and break that off. Deer will come by and eat that later. There we go. We have a beautiful ear of corn.
That's incredible. Gorgeous.
There go.
You want to check it?
Sure. Oh, look, you found one with worms. Look at how good you are.
Well, better get it now than
Yeah.
have it more of it gone later.
Yeah. Now, there's only like a 3-day window because if we leave this on the stalk any longer, the sugars turn to starch.
I know. Can't stand pasty.
Can't. So if you pop it and like milky stuff comes out, it's ready.
It did. It
Yep,
squirted out.
It's squirted out. So these are ready.
Perfect.
So Keith and I will have to go through here probably tomorrow and just get a whole
Glean
bunch
it.
off and get them ready for the market.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay.
And get ready to can some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You canning corn?
Uh-huh. I'll can everything if I can.
I wish I could stay a while and see you can. I know you.
Oh, I'll probably throw it in the freezer first. I don't know.
Well,
Okay.
maybe I could come back when you just set aside a day for canning.
Yeah. Oh, so here's the trap.
Some more corn splits setting up.
Yeah, that's a bad one. Here's my little trap,
Ah.
but there's nothing in here to indicate that there was the corn earworm. You can leave the birdhouse gourds in the field just like you can the spaghetti squash and the butternut. They'll be fine out here.
Hey, this is the sweet potato.
I see it.
That's the second planting of sweet potato.
It's doing good.
It is. But let's go back over here to this side of the ground cover because there's sweet potatoes that I planted over here first that I did a video on. They're in here in the weeds somewhere. We just have to find them.
See, what is your water source for that? Is it city?
Yeah.
Yes.
City water? Okay. You got flea bane here. It's kind of late in the season for that, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see some right there.
Oh yeah, right here. So this is a sweet potato plant. It's not gone yellow yet, so they're not ready. I was hoping we might be able to have one with our meal tonight, but
No, ones on the other side might get one out of there maybe.
no, they're too green. We need the leaves to be yellow.
Okay, how about?
No, these are all still real green.
Yep, everything's green still, huh?
Everything's green. So here I've got tomatillos growing. I haven't been out to harvest in a couple of weeks, but here we go. Here's one.
Oh, are they white like that?
They're white. Some have a little purple tinge.
Okay.
It's just however they want to grow.
I thought it's just a different variety, right? Or
Yeah.
there's
But
green
again-
ones and white ones and purple ones, I
Yeah,
think.
these were taken over by the weeds, and it's so frustrating
Yeah.
because it's so frustrating.
Mm-hmm.
And
But you're going to cover all this, right?
yes.
That one's ready.
Mm-hmm. So because we haven't had rain for about a week, Keith is watering the half-runner beans, and there's watermelon and pumpkin just beyond that.
Yeah, see both tentacles?
Yeah.
They're brown,
Okay.
and he's a little loose right here. So when you hear the punk, 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 that's good. If you hear the pink, 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 it's too solid. It's not ready.
Okay. Pink, pink, pink.
Pink,
No.
pink, pink. No. Punk, punk, punk. Yes.
Okie dokie.
And then right over here,
Yeah, that's heavy duty.
mm-hmm,
Over where?
right here, this
Your
whole
peppers.
row is peppers. So I've got about 75 red, 75 yellow, and 75 orange.
Oh, all sweet.
All sweet peppers.
Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, I see another watermelon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well, they're all up there.
Yeah, they're all up there.
Yeah, they're supposed to be over here, but some of them crossed the border.
And this is how many feet here?
140.
140.
Wow. Gosh, my whole garden's only 100. You got way more space than I do.
Yeah, I have to pick them when they're not in color yet. I'm gonna try to pick some nice bell peppers for you to take home.
Oh.
But like I said, as soon as the bugs get to them, it's over.
So the middle patch right here with the dark green is all strawberry.
Yeah, I've had the hardest time growing strawberries, but I've got one little thing, you know. So, did you have very many?
We're not supposed to get them till this year, but yes, we had them. We had them this year, this last year, and they took off like wildfire. They just exploded.
And how many would you say you? Oh, they're not going to fruit until next year.
Yeah, that's usually how it goes when you plant them now. We get the fruit next year, but we got some this year.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
Nice.
I planted like 100 strawberry plants, and you can see here,
Where'd you get them?
gurneys, believe it or not.
Oh.
Yeah, they
order?
had like, I don't know, 50 for $30. I bought 2 packs, and they all didn't happen,
Yeah.
but they all, you know, they're all just dividing up, and I'm telling you, I probably quadrupled how many strawberry plants are in here.
Sure.
So
Yeah.
as soon as we get rid of all the pepper plants, the strawberry plants are going to get planted this way,
Okay.
and that'll be our strawberry patch.
Oh, nice.
But you know, strawberry plants only produce for about 2 or 3 years.
I know.
And then, so I'm taking all these runners. In fact, here's, well, you know, they set root down into the fabric. But I put some in little black pots, the runners,
Oh.
and the runners have runners now.
Oh.
So I need to get busy with that when we get all the pepper plants out. That'll be my springtime, or my fall time project.
Your what time?
Fall time, not spring, fall. I wish it was spring. Spring is hard
Oh,
work.
you got to rest over the winter.
No.
No rest for the weary, I'm telling you.
You know, and then this here is all, basically all the way down is all blackberries.
Oh, wow.
We got to tame them.
They are growing everywhere. They're growing out there. They're growing in here.
Are they thornless? I
No.
No, they have thorns.
These are the juicy ones. They got thorns.
Oh, okay.
So while we were in Oregon, after my daughter-in-law passed away, they grow wild everywhere. They're called Marion berries.
Okay.
They grow wild everywhere. So we were in a parking lot, and Keith was just cutting. And we brought a bunch of them home. We thought, well, if they make it, they make it. If they don't, they don't, right? That's what gardening is all about. And they made it. So here in our garden, we call them Ashley berries for my daughter-in-law.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they took off. They are
They're
10, 15
everywhere.
feet long now.
Wow.
Yeah. So that'll be another fall time. As soon as we get the watermelon patch all done, then we're going to have to put stakes in and get all those canes off the ground so that we'll have
Right.
fruit for next year. So now that we have our bountiful harvest that we did out there in the garden, I want to present you with all the goodies that we picked.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, so
Yes.
corns, worms included.
Yes,
hope you enjoyed them.
I'm so grateful for the worms. Wow.
And our one little zucchini.
You can make like,
Enjoy him.
I-
Enjoy him.
I
And one of our spaghetti squashes. Okay.
yeah, and I didn't grow that this year.
Oh, perfect.
No
So,
spaghetti squash.
yeah, so save the seeds maybe.
I will.
And then just a nice assortment of the bell peppers out there.
I'm going to stuff them, like you said.
Yeah.
And,
They're real good. And this is ornamental corn. I want you to take home, just decorate.
oh,
Okay, save
I'll
the
put it on
seeds
my
and
door.
replant them. Yeah, this is old heirloom stuff.
oh, wow.
And these are just 2 peppers. I think you have to dry them before you can make a sauce.
Okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
The arbol, A-R-B-O-L, chili
Okay.
peppers.
Okay. Okay.
And one more. Wait a minute. Don't go away.
I see it.
And these are the eggs that we got today.
Aw. Aw. And I don't have that on my video.
That's okay.
You'll have to share this clip with me.
Yeah. And
Thank you.
wait a minute. We've
We'll give
got
her
Key.
one, and then we'll go cut one open because we're out in the fridge.
Those are nice.
Are
Those
they
are very
plunking
nice.
or are they pinging?
They're plunk plunk.
They didn't get picked without the plunk plunk.
Right. He won't
Okay.
pick them without a plunk plunk. But then if they're done, and they're not going to get any dunner.
So
Exactly.
we'll load that in your car. I'm gonna cut this up for lunch.
Okay.
So here we go.
Oh.
Always something to be thankful for.
Always something to be thankful for. That's right.
Uh-huh.
And what can be a better gift than wholesome food?
That's right. That we grew on our own with no chemicals,
Exactly.
no pesticides, just a lot of worms.
Right. And if you're interested in their food, you got to get down to the farmer's market.
That's right.
You got to come early.
That's right. Come early for the
They
good
run
stuff.
out.
Yeah.
God bless you.
You too.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Well, here we are, and we are presenting you with a meal from the homestead.
Awesome.
So I've got some barbecue chicken that the chicken Cody and I harvested
What
a
are
couple
you
of
going to
months
eat?
ago.
This is enough for me right here.
There's another half in the kitchen still. And we have some corn that we harvested earlier. And some green beans. These are half runners that I've been cooking for probably about 3 or 4 hours with some onion, garlic, and chopped up bacon.
Yay.
Yum, yum, yum.
That's
And
Southern style.
uh-huh. And
Tomatoes.
some tomatoes and some watermelon.
And
And some bread that I make for our farmer's market.
yeah,
So-
I wanted to try it. I heard so much about it.
Yeah. So the
So-
only thing that's not from the homestead is the butter.
Yeah.
Because we don't have a cow.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Yeah, if they had a cow, she'd have
It'd
butter.
probably be a whole lot different. Yeah, so let's just dig
All right,
in.
let's enjoy
All
this
right.
meal.
Yeah. So what kind of meat do you like? You like leg,
Yes,
thigh?
yes.
Okay, it's yours.
You guys have that. I'm just gonna eat this.
Green beans, huh?
He's gonna do green beans. He loves green beans.
Oh my
I do
god.
too.
And I like the breast.
I'll switch.
Okay. I have this one.
And I can use this for,
You sure can.
okay. You probably put this on here for the corn, right?
Mm-hmm. Whatever.
As soon as I saw it, I go, toast,
Yeah.
toast. Well, I've just been hearing so much about it.
It's really very good.
Do you have any lobes left over from the farmer's market?
No, they sold out.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
sorry.
very rare to have anything like that left over.
Mm-hmm. There's a piece of bread for you, too.
Wow.
Now you see how painfully cruel we eat every night.
Oh, man.
That's terrible. I mean, just gotta hold your nose and work your way through it.
You
Yeah.
want some tomato?
Yeah. I'll take the rest of them.
Yeah, this is why it's so hard to eat out.
Oh, I know. I know. Not my thing.
Wanna break me off like half this, or has everybody got meat, or what
That's
we doing?
already, yeah, go ahead. That's already half.
Mmm. Good.
Thank you.
3 hours, huh?
Mm-hmm.
On low or?
Yeah, low.
I can't believe how loud that is.
I know, it sounds
See
like
the size of those
someone's-
acorns?
There's 1 acre. They're so small.
No. See that tree right there? The
Very
bigger
big.
the tree, the bigger the acorn. Those acorns there are about like this.
Wow, is that a shagbark hickory?
No, that's an oak.
It is.
Yeah, it's a probably 50, 60 years old, maybe more.
Yeah, it looks like it.
All right. Hey guys, all right, that was a fun day we spent with Kay. We went through our garden, things that we do, things that we've done, our trials, our tribulations, our do's, our don'ts. It's wonderful, but it's work, and hope you enjoy this video. It's something that we've always wanted. We went forward and did it, and we're blessed to have what we have. So, like I said, we had a great time with Kay. We're going to sign off and
Go eat.
go
Go
eat
eat, yeah.
some chicken, farm-raised chicken.
That's right. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know next time when we upload a video. And we'll see you on the next one.